Hey guy, I'm cool. I'm showing you my new DVD player. I ordered this from eBay and just got a couple days ago, and I'm trying to install to my new, 2007 Hyundai Tiburon. So I don't know, I never done this before. I hope it will work. So yeah, I got. Let's see what we get here. This the DVD player. We got the menu, some materials, some. I think this is GPS, the navigation system or whatever that is. The material that I might need, a screwdriver and the tape. Yeah. So I will go to install into my car now. Let's go. Oh, all right, guys. Now we are here. I'm going to install my new DVD player. So first thing, you need to take out this. Do you see me? Okay, first thing we have to take out that. Okay, you see me, right? Okay, first we need to take out this. Oh shit, oh, never mind, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Oh, actually, let me show you. Let me show you guys. This is the old one. See, this is the old one. So we take out this and then we're gonna put it the new one. We're gonna put it. Okay. Okay, take out this. Okay. You need to unplug this wire. So one of these, and then two. You can unplug this if you want, or you can leave it. You can just leave like this. So okay, you don't need to take out this. Okay. Now we need to take out this ugly one. So first thing you need to screw it up. Okay, hold on, let me see. Do you see me? Okay, yeah. Then take out one of these. Put it right here. And we need to take out this. Oh, yeah, it's easy. It's so easy. You need to unplug this. Oh yeah, this is the radio, and you need to unplug this. See, now we take out this. Okay, where's the new one? Then we are going to put this new one right here. Oh, actually I already connect this. When this DVDs come, it's only coming with this part, not with this part. So you need to find your you can find this at AutoZoo. I got this at AutoZoo, but you need to make sure it has to be the same as this one. So this is the old one. The wire, there is different way you can connect the wire, but for me I just use a tape because it's easy to remove if something wrong, and if it's not working properly, then if I need to fix something, then it's easy for me to take it up. To connect the wire, you just had to read through this. I mean, just look at the color, matching the color, and you see this is the blue, and this is the red, the yellow, the black, or the green, the white. Okay. Now first thing we need to connect this. Where's the GPS? This is the GPS signal. I think it's right here. You see it? Yeah, it's right here. Yep. It's just the right spot. Okay, then now we need to okay. What time is it now? 6:30, 6:35. So I set out a time. Oh yeah. Let me call my friend. What's up, man?
What's up?
What you doing?
Man, you put out the time. Look at that. You are the customer.
Ah, conserva, don't we? No, let's throw away.
What's the hell of man?
Hello there.
Hello.
Okay, man. Talk to you later. Okay, bye. See? So we'll. Oh, okay. I can also listen to my music. I hear it. Turn it on. Let's check the DVD. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, well, actually I did it. This is my first time. Please subscribe for more video. Thank you.